Hello my friends, how are you? I hope you are all best. So now today my topic about history of programming languages. So you will subscribe my channel, press the bell icon. You know my channel name is about NGEM Computers Institution. So now I will describe the history of programming languages. So I will start early developments. The first programmable computers were invented at the end of the 1940s, and with them, the first programming languages. The earliest computers were programmed the first generation programming languages 1GLS machine language, simply instructions and could be directly executed by the processor. This code was very difficult to debug was not portable between different computer systems. In order to improve the ease of programming, assembly languages of second generation programming languages to GLS were invented, diverging from the machine language to make program easier to understand for human, although they did not increase portability. Initially, hardware resources were source and expensive, while human resources were cheaper. Therefore, cumbersome languages that were time consuming to use but were closer to the hardware for higher efficiency were favored the introduction of high-level programming languages, third generation programming languages, 3GLS revolutionized programming. These languages abstracted away the details of hardware, instead began designed to express algorithms that could be understood more easily by humans. For example, arithmetic expression could now be written in symbolic notation and later translated into machine code that the hardware code language Fortran has remained in use into the 21st century. 1960s and 1970s. Around 1960, the first mainframe general purpose computers were developed, although they could not be operated by professionals by the cost and extreme. The data and instructions were input by punch cards, meaning that no input could be added while the program was running. The languages developed at that time therefore are designed for minimal instruction. After the invention of the microprocessor, computer in the 1970s became dramatically cheaper. New computers also allowed more user interaction, which was supported by never programming languages. Lisp, implemented in 1958, was a functional programming language. Unlike Fortran, it supports recursion and conditional expressions, and it also introduced dynamic memory management on a heap and automatic garbage collection. For the next decades, Lisp dominated artificial intelligence application. In 1978, another functional language ML introduced infer types and polymorphic parameters. After ALGOL algorithmic language was released in 1958 and 1960. It became the standard in computing literature for describing algorithms, although its commercial success was limited. More popular imperative languages including C, Pascal, ADA, C++, Java, and C are directly or indirectly descended from Algol 60. Among its innovations adopted by later programming languages including greater probability and the first use of context-free BNF grammar Simula, the first language that support object-oriented program including subtypes, dynamics, dispatch, and inheritance. Also, discards from ALGOL and achieved commercial success. See another ALGOL descendant has sustained popularity into the 21st century. See allows access to lower level machine operations more contemporary languages. Its lower end efficiency generated in part with flexible printer operations comes at the cost of making it more difficult to write correct code. So friends, here's my topic about history of programming languages. If you like this my video, so subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so I am go to my another video. Allah Hafiz.